کاکیل ئیبراهیم ڕەسول, Senior Consultant in Qatar at the National Center for Cancer Care and Research and the Professor of Clinical Medicine at Weill Cornell Medical College in Qatar. I am honored in joining the first Iraqi Breast Cancer Summit as an invited speaker. This summit is a significant step forward in raising awareness, advancing research and improving care for breast cancer patients in Iraq and in the region. During this summit, I will be talking about breast cancer, brain mets, and breast cancer in pregnancy. I truly believe in the power of collaboration across borders, and I am excited exchanging and sharing knowledge and learning from all amazing professionals attending this event. Thank you for this opportunity and looking forward to being part of this impactful gathering. See you at the summit. Thank you.